Welcome to StudioBinder. We're going to show you how to manage your cast members. Cast members need to be accurate to avoid redundancies, and oftentimes a misspelled cast member will slip in. If these are not fixed, you'll have duplicate characters referenced on your breakdowns and reports. To manage cast, go to your cast members page. This is where you can reorder your cast by their ID numbers listed here. See the scene count for each character listed here. A cast ID is a number used to reference a cast member on a strip and call sheet. By default, a cast ID is assigned to characters based on their order of appearance in the script. However, you may want to adjust the IDs by importance and visibility in the script. For example, your lead actor should probably have cast ID 1. To change the cast ID, simply drag rows up and down. This will update every instance of the cast ID across the whole project. Sometimes you may have a cast element tagged in different phrasings. These are called variants. Ideally, this would be addressed in the script prior to importing, but you can still merge the elements after the fact. Just select the cast members and then click here to merge the characters into a new element name. To see the variants of a single element, click here. Or to see the variants for every element in a section, simply click here. If you'd like to remove or rename the cast member, click here. That's it for managing cast. Watch the next video to learn how to manage scene settings in StudioBinder.